Son, môj syn je star 10 let. My son is 10 years old. Daughter, moja háči hodí v šolo. My daughter goes to school. Husband, môj muž je zdravník. My husband is a doctor. Father, môj oče živí v Ljubljani. My father lives in Ljubljana. Wife, moja žena je učiteľejca. My wife is a house, naša hiša je veľká. Our house is big. Adres, môj naslov je Prešernova ulica 10, my adres is Prešernova street 10. Phone number, môj telefonsky številka je 123 456, my phone number is 123 456. Price, kakšna je cena tega? What is the price of this? Kam, prosím, prídi sem. Please, come here. Imám sestanek pri zdravníku. I have an appointment with the doctor. Check-up, potrebujem zdravníšky pregled. I need a check-up. Age, koliko let imaš? How old are you? Shopping, rada grem po nakupich. I like going shopping. Food, hrana je odličná. The food is excellent. Milk, potrebujemo mleko. We need milk. Room, kie je moja soba. Where is my room? Nurse, medicínska sestra je prijazná. The nurse is kind. Cooking, rada kuhám. I like cooking. Researcher, on je raziskovalec. He is a researcher. Friends, imám veľko priateľov. I have many friends. Education, izobrazba je pomembná. Education is important. School, moja šola je blizu. My school is nearby. Children, otroci se igrajú zunaj. The children are playing outside. Mother, moja mama je doma. My mother is at home. Father, môj oče je zaposlen. My father is busy. Car, imám nov auto. I have a new car. Bus, kdaj pride autobus? When does the bus arrive? Internet, rabím internet. I need the internet. Who, kdo si ti? Who are you? Time, koliko je ura? What time is it? Today, deň je lep dan. Today is a beautiful day. Yesterday, včeraj som byl zaseden. I was busy yesterday. Tomorrow, jutri imám na čte. I have plans for tomorrow. Next week, nasledený týden grem na počitnice. I am going on vacation next week. Next month, nasledený mesec imám rojstný dan.